Tip 7 is that very important tip about nonverbal communication, body language. This is about gestures, facial expression, how you're sitting. So often in politics, no matter where in the world you are, we have the body language experts that evaluate the key politicians in a meeting. And to someone like myself, some of them are so obvious. Other people may not notice them. But I remember a CEO hired me once because one of the areas that really bothered them is when they got into calls, virtual calls, this person would literally like sit back like this. Yes, it's nice to be comfortable in business calls, but that might not be the right body language when you're in a business call. We want to be open. We want to be confident. We want to sit up tall. And of course, it's so important to smile. I have worked with many CEOs who are so focused on the message that they forget to smile. And for many of you who are in job transition and interviewing, remember, people will hire people they want to work with. So don't forget to smile. Be sure to sit up tall, exude confidence, smile, and of course, connect with your eye contact, which will bring us to tip 8. And remember, before you jump off, I do have more to share. So stay with me until the end because I have an exciting event and exciting information. But number 8, tip 8, is about connecting and engaging. Use your eyes to connect and engage. In some areas around the world, we know that eye contact isn't natural. A matter of fact, it's not suggested at all for many reasons. But in the United States, in the Western culture, we engage 80% of the time with our eyes. And when we connect with our eyes, we establish that trust and relationship. Of course, I don't want you staring because that's not comfortable either. But connecting with your eyes is so important. As a child, my mother had nicknames for my sister, one of my cousins, and myself. My name, which was with me until the day she passed, was Dancing Eyes. I don't think it hit me until later what that meant. So I must have very expressive eyes. You can let me know if you've watched my videos and you think I do, but imagine how expressive my eyes must have been that was the name that stuck with me from almost the day I was born until the day she passed. So think about how important your eye contact is. And the exercise is the 80% rule. We don't want to stare down, but we do want to look at the individual, look at the camera, and then quickly look away just for natural conversational feel. So before I wrap up, let me tell you about an exciting program that I am giving on May 6th. It might seem very far away, but our program last week sold out. Sold out. Why did it sell out when it's virtual? Because I love to have interaction, more interaction than today. Interaction where people could step up to the mic and practice whatever it is that I am teaching. So yes, many people have hundreds of people come onto their master classes and their events. I limit it because I want engagement. I want every one of you to practice the techniques when you want. I want you to step up to the mic and I want you to practice and get immediate feedback from me. That is why I keep it limited so we can engage and practice. This has been a signature program of mine for almost 20 years. It's called Accent Reduction Made Easy, but English can be your first language because every technique I teach is relevant for all individuals who want to succeed in their careers and their professional and personal life. And while some would pay hundreds of dollars for this kind of experience, I only offer it for 25 US dollars, which is why it sells out quickly. So be sure to grab the link because once the class fills up, it is closed. And I don't have another date for now. So let's just remember this was just the first live stream of the year, the first 8 tips. We give 1 tip every week, 52 weeks on social media. So this was just the first 8 tips. And in some ways, they may be the most important because they are the foundation for strong communication. Remember, when it comes to speaking English as a second, third, or fourth language, accent reduction is not about eliminating your unique voice. It's about ensuring that your unique voice is heard and understood. With practice and awareness, you can improve your clarity, your pronunciation, your pacing, and your presence. Keep practicing. Be patient with yourself. And remember, small adjustments lead to big results. At Corporate Speech Solutions, we empower our clients to communicate with clarity and confidence in all professional settings, whether in person or virtual meetings. So don't forget to grab the link to the event on May 6th. This session will be filled with incredible information and opportunities to practice. And my goal is always to build your success one technique at a time. I'm Jayne Latz, the communication trainer, and I forgot, but if you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, which is growing rapidly, please do so today. I look forward to seeing you on May 6th. Take care, and thanks for tuning in.